gonna go to the town. We did that when we arrived, but we didn't spend too much time, so we're gonna do a little shopping maybe and have lunch at a restaurant that Brian really wanted to try. So Brian just pointed out that right down there, right there, that's where we had dinner the other night at Passaggio with the beautiful sunset. That was the first restaurant we went to here. And if you follow this road, he's gonna go see, like, her place is just down here somewhere. We can actually walk up here, but it's like totally steep. So Brian thinks it's right behind this house right here. So this is like a little wine wall with art. And it shows stars, how good the Brunello is. Right here. So you can see this is 4 stars. 2016 is 5 stars. There is where we're headed right now. Paradiso Cantucci? Cacucci.